Hi, and welcome to Virtual Construction Assistant's weekly tips and tricks for your office system. Our tip for today is about how to keep your laptop battery healthy. One of the benefits of having a laptop rather than a stationary desktop is its mobility. It can be used in cafes, parks, restos, or anywhere else, thanks to its compact size and, of course, its built-in battery, allowing it to easily move to from one place to another. The battery from your laptop, cell phone, or other devices is not going to last forever. However, there are some tips we can do to ensure it'll last longer. Here are 4 battery care tips to keep laptop battery healthy. First, keep it cool. Keep laptop vents clean and remove any obstruction to allow air circulation. Do not place laptop on pillows, bed, or lap. Stay out of hot places when using and storing your laptop. A hot battery will degrade much quicker than a cool one. Second, don't overcharge. Keep your laptop battery level between 40% to 80%. And if you do charge it to 100%, don't leave it plugged in. This is to avoid undue stress to the battery. Third, deep discharge and recharge. Fully discharge your battery to 0% and fully recharge to 100% once a month. This allows accurate calibration of your battery's health. Fourth, use less power. It's simple but usually gets overlooked. Quit running applications in the background and close browser tabs that are not in use. The fewer the times you drain and charge, the longer the battery lasts. Taking proper care of your laptop's battery is important to not having your batteries replaced sooner than you'd like. There you have it, easy for simple laptop battery care tips. That's all for today. See you again next week for another tips and tricks.